Tired of guessing whether it's der, die, or das? Here's the good news. German nouns aren't as random as they seem. In fact, most nouns reveal their gender just by looking at their endings. Stick with me, and I'll show you the one trick to mastering them in no time. The one simple trick. Most German nouns follow consistent patterns based on their endings. If it ends in, it's likely masculine. Der Schreiber,
Der Schreiber,
der Ofen,
der Ofen,
der Himmel,
der Himmel.
if it ends in, it's probably feminine. Die Gesundheit,
Die Gesundheit,
die Zeitung,
die Zeitung,
die Diskussion,
die Diskussion.
if it ends in, it's almost always neuter. Das Kätzchen,
Das Kätzchen,
das Abkommen,
das Abkommen,
das Museum.
das Museum.
About 80% of nouns follow these patterns. So, instead of trying to memorize the gender of every word, just focus on the endings. This is the one simple trick that will instantly boost your confidence. Practice the trick. Now, let's see how well this trick works. I'll show you some words, and you tell me if they're der, die, or das. Ready? Die Lampe,
Die Lampe,
der Hund,
der Hund,
das Eigentum,
das Eigentum.
How did you do? If you got them right, great job. If not, don't worry. Practice makes perfect. Of course, not every German noun follows the rules. There are exceptions, because, well, it's German. But here's the good news. Most exceptions fall into specific groups, like days of the week, der Montag, diminutives, das Häuschen, and certain abstract concepts, die Liebe, love. As you get more exposure to German, these exceptions will start to feel natural. Practice this, and you'll master German nouns faster than you thought possible.